Hi guys, today we're going to be playing Animal Hospital. What do you mean by anomaly? And what do you mean by this? What is that thing? Why is it so popular? Alright, bro, I need to investigate. What is this game? Alright, apparently this is... What is this? What, there are classes in this game? Is this the 99 Nights in the Forest? Is this a 99 Nights ripoff? Don't tell me I'm playing a ripoff game. This is literally a 99 Nights ripoff. What am I doing with my life? I can be a nurse, a secretary, a paramedic. What is this? I have 24 coins somehow. I don't know. Can we buy the nurse? I don't really know. It has a lot of utility. It has no sanity. But then the enter has more sanity. I feel like I'm gonna do the nurse. Yeah, I'm gonna buy the nurse. Okay. Now I have the nurse. Alright. So I bought the nurse. Now I need to play a game. Should I play solo or should I play with someone? No, I don't want to play with it. Okay? Skip tutorial. I feel like I'm gonna skip tutorial. Work at the hospital until you find out what's really happening. What do you mean? It's just an animal hospital. What do you think is gonna go wrong? Are the animals gonna die? No animals are gonna die on my watch. What do you mean? And I really wonder what's that anomaly thing they're talking about. What? Sup, I'm Maggie Taylor. What is this? Why do you look exactly like me? You're also a nurse. What? Jaylee, what is this? Okay, no. I will not get distracted. I have no starter objects. Alright, what is this? Stop ringing the bell. I know you're there. Now we just gotta take a photo. Inspect the photo. I mean, why am I even inspecting photos? Are they actually gonna be anomalous? No, I feel like something's gonna be creepy about this game. Like, I feel like there's gonna be a stupid anomaly coming and killing all of the animals. Like, alright, I need to talk. I got room 1. I have no idea where that. Oh. Okay. I felt safer when. What? What? Genuinely, what? Oh, that's the room 1. These are the rooms. Alright. Your health is important to us! Yes. I agree, Sir Meowslot. Alright, what is this? I need to take the DNA samples. Ouch, I'm sorry. I have to fix you, alright? I know it hurts a bit, but it's okay. It's gonna be all okay. Don't worry. We're gonna get all fixed. Alright, now I need to process the results. And he has a stomachache. Bro wants herbs. Alright, so I'll give bro some herbs. Alright. There they are. Herbs. Someone's ringing. Someone is literally ringing my doorbell. Stop ringing the doorbell. I'm doing my job. I know you're there. Alright. Just stop. Stop. And bro still has a stomachache. Oh, wait, no, he's recovering. Bro just recovered. Why does he have this on his head? Bro's lying. Bro had a stomachache. Why does he have this on his head? What? Bro wants to look cool. Okay, hello? I was doing my job, Ron. Okay, my guy. What is this? What is it? I don't understand. I literally don't understand anything. Like, where's the anomaly part of the game? Like, I just don't understand. Alright, registered. Yeah. I can print the name out. Alright. His name is Ron from accounting. That's okay. That is Ron. I was not supposed to get that right. I'll be in room 2. What? You said the same exact thing as me. I wonder where someone went. I can't read it. Okay. Let's do this. Come on. My guy. I have to take a DNA sample. Yeah, it hurts a bit, but... Okay, listen. It will all be okay. Also, listen to Sir Meows a lot. We trust our professionals. Stay healthy, stay safe. Yes, I also agree. Okay. Bro has dried eyes. He needs some eye drops. Alright. I need to get him some eye drops. Yup. Need to apply treatment. This is easy. Like, what? Oh, there's someone ringing. Okay, sorry, bro. I got it. Okay. What are you doing in here? It's just gonna take long. I mean, I'm doing my job. I'm literally trying to do my job. Okay. We've got this. Okay. Where is the anomaly part of the game? I still don't understand. This is just a cute little game about, like, taking care of animals and stuff. What? What do you mean? And why was that the thumbnail of the game? Like, what is it? An animal opening their mouth? Is that an anomaly? Dude, I knew anomalies were gonna come into my room. Okay, who are you? Why are you so small? Being small has its advantages. I hear things, I see things. It's a dangerous job. What do you mean it's a dangerous job? What? Huh? Okay. I literally just got jump scared by this. I feel like I actually need to rethink my life choices. All right, Matthew. All right. So we gotta print the badge. What? I thought. What? Question mark. Who are you? Thanks. I'll be in room 1. I literally forgot about Bo. Where's that guy? What? Where is that guy? Is he here? No. Oh, wait, he is here. Alright. I need to take your DNA sample. Okay. And I'll be okay. Don't worry. Dried eyes. Okay, eye drops. Alright. What happens if I give them the wrong thing? Will they, like, die? I'm not gonna try that, okay. I'm not stupid. I mean, I am kinda. But it doesn't matter, okay? I saved him. Look, patient recovery. That is what I'm talking about. No patient will die on my watch. And bro against and another guy wants to look cool. You're not cool, buddy. Okay, where's room 1? Where's room number 1? What is this? What? Huh? Oh, that's new. That's room number 1. Where's question mark? Oh, he's here. Alright, my guy. Dude, how could this go wrong? I just realized there's a sanity bar. Dude, what is this? Low sugar. How do you have low sugar in our world? I mean, come on, man. Dude, how do you have low sugar in our world, man? How is that even possible? Alright. Want some maple syrup. Alright. I mean, what? What is this? Okay, shift report. Patients treated, visitor, anomalies. What do you mean anomalies? Yeah, so they can die. They can actually die. Best. That's me. Yes, the shop is open again. I don't care. I just want to play. I think no one's ringing the bell. Oh, I was wrong. Okay, I was literally wrong. Genuinely, what is this? Forms. I need to take a photo. Inspect the photo. Alright, you do kind of look alike, so I guess you're not an anomaly. What's this? Taser? Shock suspicious people. What do you mean suspicious people? Coffee ready. Increase sanity. Why do I need my sanity so much? Oh, your sanity is important. If it reaches 0, you die. Okay. Okay, my guy. That's what the coffee's for. I don't really know. I have never tasted coffee in my life. Okay, it's okay. I don't know. Guess. I just increased my sanity. I have 64%. I mean, at least it's not the forbidden number. Duh. What's this? Okay, what? My guy. What are you doing? I will be in room 7. Alright. Wait, room 7? Oh, 6 to 8. Alright. Where's the room 7? There it is. I don't even know who that is. Okay, what? Cardio? What does that even mean? Oh, Joe, look up. Okay. That is... I literally saw these eyes. What does bro want? I feel like this is just getting boring. I'm just cut. Alright, so now it's complete. Now what? What do you want? What do you want? Oh, this. I want this. Alright. And bro have... What? What is this? What? He has Canadian and a headache. Okay. Alright. You want maple syrup and medicine. I'll get you this. Don't worry, buddy. Okay. I just need to open the door. Okay. Now what? Closed? Are you kidding me? Are you serious right now? Wait, I forgot I'm meant to be giving him stuff. Alright, so he wants some medicine and some syrup. Yep. Okay, wait, no. I'm going the wrong way. Okay. Okay. What is this? I'm gonna give you all of your stuff. Yup. Patient recovering. Yes. Okay. This is really getting boring. And this is getting really boring. I'm just skip the non-fun part. I just realized there are security cameras. And shirts. Wait, huh? What are the shirts for? Use shirts to reject people? Is it because it's funny? Because I'm not laughing, okay? I'm just skip again. Dude, my patient just fainted. Okay, and I am not doing it. I'm not recording this, okay? I am not doing it while the camera is like this. What is this? Boom, I actually did it. 4 seconds left. Dude, I would have been cooked there. But I was just cooking. Alright, buddy. You're free to go. I'm pretty sure someone said they're in room 7. Okay, I'm not doing this on cam. I don't care. I'm not recording this. Okay, I did it. Patient's treat. Yes. Excellent. Yes. $80. I'm the best. Okay. I'm literally the best. Okay. I'm a nurse and I have $230. That's cool. Okay. Where are they? What do you mean, where are they? Is this the anomaly part about the game? What are you? What do you mean? What are you doing? What are you doing? Bro. What? Is it actually an anomaly? What are you doing, my guy? Okay. What is this? Okay. Someone's ringing the bell. I gotta go. Are you kidding me? Who is this guy? He doesn't look the same as the other. What do you mean by give coffee? I'm not holding any coffee. Okay. Will it work? No. Okay. Okay, fine. Okay. Just gotta give him a cup of coffee. Thanks, friend. I needed that. Bro went to the hospital to get coffee. Bro, what the? Bro, that is the dumbest idea ever. Bro literally went to the hospital to get some. What is that? What? Who are you? Is that an anomaly? I don't know an anomaly. What is this? Why are you twitching? Okay, one camera down. CD Joe. Okay, wait, what? What is this? What is this? Okay, it's staring at me. It's literally staring at me. Sorry, bro. I have to do this. I literally have to do this. Okay. I'm gonna equip my taser and just wait. I can ask him to leave. What the? A headbanger. What the? I didn't even need to ask. Are you kidding me? Bro. What just happened? No, bro. No. What is happening? Yes, I'm gonna skip it again. Excuse me. What is that thing? Hello? Okay, you're kind of creepy. No. Are you kidding me? Why? My guy, why? Okay. I'm gonna look at the security cameras again. Is he doing anything? I think that's still an anomaly. Bruh. What's happening? Oh wait, first I'm gonna take a photo. Okay, yup, you're definitely an anomaly. Get out of here. Okay. This is outrageous! Yeah, whatever you say, little bro. This is getting too boring. Are there any modded versions? No, there's only a roleplay game. I guess I'll play it. And what is that thing? What? That is not Animal Hospital. What is that? That is not Animal Hospital. I mean, this is, but this is not. Okay, this is just not. Okay. What is this? Let's just play this. Let's just play whatever that is. Okay, I'm a character. Why does my face look like that? Damn! What the? What? Customize? Dude, they're giving me a tutorial about a roleplay game. What the? Open, customize to preview your look. What? What does this even mean? Wait, I can save to return? What? Press save to return. What the dude? Name tags? I can enter a name. Put my name tag. Okay. How about, what if I'm P? Okay. Neutral patient visitor. Okay. Alright, bro. Bruh. Neutral. What the? Tutorial completed. I got coins. I'm just editing my character real quick. Alright, so this is supposed to be the secret agent. I heard it costs Robux. Robux, Robux. 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 Alright, name tags. Now I'm secret agent. Yep. I gotta look professional. Okay. Secret? Yes. And S. Yes. Secret agents. Neutral. Yes. Alright. Yep. What now? What is that? I can emote? Okay. Is this all just gonna be TikTok dances? Okay, no, it's dead. What is this? This is no. What the what the? What did I just do? Is this is okay, no. Okay, genuinely. What? Okay, yes. Okay. How do I change maps? Look at that little guy. He's so cute. And that's a patient. That's also a patient, even though that's a doctor. Is it? Why did you steal my man? That was my thinking roar. That was my thinking roar. Okay, don't lie. You do those too. Okay? I don't understand. What do we do? They just become a patient? That mean what? This sucks. There are a lot of Would You Rather games, but I think I've had enough. Bye.